Good day, everyone. So this a video about making mobile application that can work on your phone, and you can also work on your laptop or computer. So it can be a web app or mobile app. So in this video, you don't need any knowledge of coding at all to build something like this. So this is a tic-tac-toe game. It's an application that you can download on your phone, that you can send to your phone. You can also play it on your computer. So let's play this game a little. So this O X O X O X O X. So at the end it shows that player X wins, right? So let me play it again. So this is X O X O X O X O X. So it's showing that it's a draw, right? So this video promises to teach you how to actually build this with using ChatGPT. So you don't need any knowledge of any coding, no HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other programming languages. So let's just follow steps that I'm going to give to you. So let's sit tight and relax. I'm going to give you steps to follow in order to be able to build something like this. So these are the steps. So there are 4 steps to follow. Step 1 is get the code from ChatGPT. So get the code from ChatGPT. Step 2, save our code to the computer. Step 3, upload our app online. Step 4, convert the web app into mobile app. So these are the 4 steps we have to follow. So let's start from step 1, which is get the code from ChatGPT. Alright, so let's go to our web browser, open a new tab, type ChatGPT. ChatGPT or chat.openai, openai.com. So enter. Alright, so the step 1 says we should get the code from ChatGPT. So for ChatGPT to give us code, we have to feed it an instruction. We have to tell it something. So what is that thing we are supposed to tell ChatGPT for it to give us the code? Alright, so this is called prompt. So there are instructions that you give to AI to generate results. So this is prompt 1, or the first instruction. The first instruction will be okay. So this is the first instruction. I want to create a tic-tac-toe game, so generate the mobile responsive codes for HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and add a linear gradient color in the background. Show player win and draw in a new screen inside the game box, and add a button for the new game inside the game box. So let me give you some time to read this and type this. So since I've typed, I'll just copy it and paste to ChatGPT. So after pasting, click on this place to send. So you wait to give you code for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So after I finish loading, we are supposed to test this code if it's going to work or not, if it's working or not. We'll be using an online website called CodePen. CodePen. So enter. So just click on CodePen, this first one here. So I've been here already. So if yours will show get started, let me go there again. So CodePen, So let me see login. Okay, just click on this pen here. Click on pen here, or you also should get started. Just click or start coding. So whenever you get here, alright, so the code from ChatGPT is what we're going to paste here. Okay, so let's copy the code. So this is the HTML code. As you can see, we have CSS and we have JavaScript. So for you to copy it, just click on this place here, this copy. You can see this is the code. So copy. So go to your code pen. I've logged in before, that's why it's showing. It was showing my name there. You can see a pen by Godwin. So you can log in, then paste it here. Ctrl V or right click, then paste. So that's for HTML. So let's copy for CSS. So this CSS. So paste. So let's see JavaScript. So this is JavaScript. Just click on this copy here, then paste it in the section of JavaScript. So right click or just paste. So CodePen is just like an online editor whereby you can code and you'll be seeing the result instantly. So for you to adjust this, just click on this box, this line here, as you can see here, to adjust. So we want to test this if it's working, right? So click on the box, X O X O X O X. So it shows that player X wins, right? Because X is on this 3 straight line. So let's play a new game. Click on new game. So let me see. O X. So you see it's a draw, right? Okay, so it's working, but we are not fully satisfied. I want this, it's a draw and new game, to show in the middle. So I will give ChatGPT another prompt. So that's where this one comes in, this last prompt. So you can just say player win or draw and new game should pop up in the middle of the game. So just copy it and paste, or just type it rather. So even if ChatGPT is giving you something like that you don't like, you can tell it to give you the way you want it. So for example, now you gave it a prompt and it's giving you something else. Tell it this is not what I want. For example, if your game is not centralized, tell it to make it centralized. If your game is showing you a different color, tell it I want a gradient color. Whatever it is that is giving you, whatever error is giving you can always correct it, right? You can always correct it. So we've given this one now. Player X, we said we put this as a prompt right now. Player X win or draw and new game should pop up in the middle of the game box. So let's see the code it gave us. So like I said, whatever it is that ChatGPT gives you and it's not in line with what you want, you can always tell it to update it to your taste. So ChatGPT has given us another HTML, another CSS, but it didn't give us JavaScript. So he said with these adjustments, the result screen win or draw notification and the new game button will appear in the middle of the game board. This layout ensures better visibility and maintains a responsive design. So let's copy the HTML and CSS. So this is the HTML. So we'll replace it with the one that was there. So let me drag this down a little. So this HTML, highlight, delete, then paste. Then let's copy the CSS. So this is CSS, copy. So highlight, delete, then paste. So let us adjust this to the top here. Just click here and drag. So let's play and see if it's going to give us the desired results. So X O X O X O X. So as you can see, it's now showing in the middle. X win. So new game here, right? So let's play it again. X wins, right? So that means it's working perfectly well. So if you want addition to this game, for example, you want it to show below here, like it is X stone, it is O stone, just like this. You can just give it another prompt, just like this here. You can give it another prompt, right? So whatever it is you want it to do for you, just give it a prompt. Tell it to give you what you want. Do you understand? So that's for that. So this is the sample I gave. Let me see what I've done. Okay, this is what I've done. Alright, so I believe it's working. So let's go to the next step. So step 2 is to save it to our computer. Okay, so we'll need to save it to our computer, we'll need a coding editor. So I use Visual Studio Code. VSC. Let me show you what it's like. So VSC. Let me type it, Visual Studio Code Editor. So you can download it, or you can use. So this is how it looks like. You can easily download it, right? Or you can use Notepad, whatever coding editor you have, you can use it. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code. So this is it here. I'll right click it and open. Okay. So you create a folder, then you create a folder. So I'm going to use, let me create a folder, right click, new folder, let's call it tic tac toe. So that's the folder name. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we'll be saving. Let's go back to, let me show you something. As you can see, this CSS, right, it is saved as styles.css. So let's see HTML. HTML will be, okay, we'll save HTML as index.html, then JavaScript as, okay, sorry, this is not the original one. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, HTML will be saved as index.html. It's not here, right? But that had to be saved index.html. CSS styles.css. Then let's see JavaScript. JavaScript is script.js. Alright, so let's save. Let's go to our coding editor. So let's go to start new file. So for the HTML, let's write index, enter. So where are we saving it to? Save it to desktop, and the name is tic-tac-toe. Yeah, click on tic-tac-toe. Okay, so index, so put dot HTML, enter. So the next one will be create, close this place. The next one will be CSS. So CSS will be styles.css. As you can see here, styles.css, styles. Alright, so let's save that. So just go here, click on, let me go again, you click on this three button by your left, go to file, then go to new file. So type the name you want. So it's styles, enter. So at the end of the styles, put .css. So create. So the last one will be JavaScript, the same way. So it will be script. Let's check it. So as you can see, script.js. So go here, file, new file. So script. So after the script, put .js, create file. Alright, so let's copy those files here. Now let's go to the last one, or let's just copy it from our code pen, since this is what we used last. So let's copy from here. This is the last one we needed, so that we use this last one we use. So Control C, then go to here. This is index.html, paste it. So let's go to style.css. So this CSS, Control A, then copy. So paste. So let's go to JavaScript. Copy all. Scripts. So paste. After pasting, then save. Control S. Save. Index. Save also. So now let's go open it. Let's see if it's going to work. So this is the folder, right? Tic-tac-toe open. So go to your index, right click on open. So as you can see, this is our game here now. So it's a web app right now. So let's play it. Let's say X O X. As you can see, so X wins has popped up. So this is just a web app. So how do we convert this to a mobile app? That will be the next thing we're going to do. So let's follow the steps. So we have to upload. We have done step 2. So let's upload our app online. So how do we upload our app online? We are going to use a particular website, which is called, so let me close it now. A particular website which is called TinyHost. So let me close all this, or let me leave it. So open a new tab, click on type TinyHost. So this tiny host, TIINY, tiny host. So click on this first one. So you have to log in. So we are trying to upload our web app online. Okay, so the first thing, this tiny host, right? We have to sign in with our email. So just click on your email, they will send you a login link. So I have signed up already, so I'll just log in. Just log in, or let me put okay, let me log in with my Gmail. So you just have to sign in, then you continue. It's a very simple procedure. So I'm going to continue like this. So just click one of your Gmails and continue. So as you can see, we now have this page. So just follow the steps, select. How do you hear about us? You can put anyone, maybe YouTube, employment, either you're a student, employee, freelancer, whichever one you want. So just follow the steps. So complete. So after that, since I've logged in now, you'll see something like upload. But before we upload, we have to convert our web application into, we have to convert it to a zip file. So let me go to my folder. This is my folder, right? Okay, so I have to convert everything to a zip file. So highlight everything, so right click, go to send to compress zip folder. Can you see here? Click. So just, you can save it as tic-tac-toe. Enter. So this is now a zip folder. This is what you are going to upload. Okay, this is the zip folder. Let me make it large. Okay, so this is what we are going to upload on this site here. So let's go back to the site. So upload. So let's drag. I want to drag this. So drag it here. So here, what name do you, what's the name you want to, what's your domain name that you want to use? So let's say I want to use tic-tac-toe 2024, right? So let's publish it. Then when I should just publish. So just wait. Something went wrong, so hold on. So hello everyone. So while I was using Chrome, it was not uploading. So let me try another browser. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I'm using Edge for it. So let me show you what I'm using now. So this is it, Microsoft Edge. So I tried using Chrome, so I don't know why it's not working. So let me try Microsoft Edge for TinyHost. Let me just open TinyHost. So this is where I stopped. TinyHost. After you must have logged in, it will take you to this place here, right? Let me put it again. So just TinyHost. So I just entered the site again so that you can understand. So this is the page it will give you after you must have logged in. So now you click on upload here to upload the zip file. So let me go to the folder again. So this is the folder, tic-tac-toe folder. So I told you how to convert it, right? So let me delete this and do it again. So just highlight, then right click on send to. So compress zip folder. So you can save it as any name. Let's say tic-tac-toe. So enter. So you can just drag this. Okay. So I click on upload first. Upload. So then go drag it. So let's drag this. So here now you have to put your website name. So I want to save my website name as, let's say, tic-tac-toe Godwin. Anyhow. So let's publish. Let's see. So it is going. So now it has successfully uploaded our website online. Okay, so you can copy link here and you can view the site. So let's view the site first. View site. So this is the site right now. This is how it looks. Okay, so now let's copy this link. This is our link. Click on copy link. Alright, so if you scroll down, let's see. Okay, so let's go back to this place. Copy link. So we've actually put this our website online. It's online right now. So if you type in this name on Google or any browser, it should bring out your website. So the next step is to convert our website into an application, because right now this is a web app, right? So how to convert this into a mobile app? We're going to use a particular website called web into app. So new tab. So let me close this. Let me close this also. Alright, new tab. So just type web to app. Web to app. Web to app. So just click web to app. So let's type it again, web into app rather. Web app maker. So enter. So you can see it down here. So web to app. This is the website. Let me type it again for clarity. Web to app. So this is web to app. So enter, let's see. Okay, still the same thing. So this is web to app that has this star icon. Web to app. So click on it. So you have this platform like this, window like this. So click on get started. Do not forget we have our website online already, right? So this way to give you, this is the place to take it to. So as you can see, it is an online app maker. So from here it's showing online URL, here it's showing HTML file. Since we have a website already, so we just have to paste our website here. And what's our website? Let me check. Okay, this is it. Just copy the link here. Copy. So let's paste it. So here it's talking about our website link. So just paste it. So this is it. I've pasted it. So give your app a name. So let me just call it tic-tac-toe. Okay, so that's that. So if you want to increase the version, maybe it's version 2, version 3, you can do it here. But then we're not doing anything. So here is to set the icon. So let's change this icon. Let's go to Google. Let's type tic-tac-toe icon. So I want to download this. Click on this. So right click, save image as. So let me save it to desktop. So sorry, desktop. So it's safe to download. Alright, so let's go to our app maker. So just click on set icon. So let's go to our download. So save to our download. So let's say R. Okay, it is saved to desktop rather. So click on set icon. So go to desktop. So just click on R. It is saved as R. So this is the R. So click on it. So you can see this is the image. This is the icon we want to use this for. So just click on next. So you can see here next. So you can see app name tic-tac-toe version 1. This is our site name. So after that, as you can see, this is free Android app, free. So just click on next, or click on this place here, make app, click on it. So just put your name, email address, just put a password. So register. So click on make app. So when you click on make app, it's going to show something like this. So it's converting your web app into it's converting your website into an app right now. So your app is now being built online. This may take a while. So it has converted our website into an app right now. So these are the ones I've done before. Okay. So whenever you build any app with this website, it will show here. So this is one I just did now. So tic-tac-toe version 1. So just go here, tools, click. So click on download your app, download. So just click on download free, then go below download all files zip. So it is downloading. So we're almost done. So if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Share this video to your friends, to your loved ones, to your family, so they can also benefit from what you are benefiting. Okay, give me a comment if you find any difficulty in this tutorial. Please leave me a comment and I'll be glad to assist you. Okay, so we're almost done. So the last stage is we've downloaded the app, right? So let's go to our download. So go to downloads. So let me open. So the next thing is this is what we downloaded. This is the music folder. So we have to unzip it. So right click. So just say extract files here. Let's extract it here. So just go yes to all. So you can see it has extracted these files, right? So click on this Android. So you see an app file. So this is app release APK. So this is the app that you can send to your phone, to your Android phone, right? So now for us how do we get this on our phone? Instead I will send it through maybe a USB device to our phone, or we can send this to our Google Drive so we can download it from our phone. So let's go to our Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. So we can just drop the file. So here's the folder. Let me go back to the folder. So this is the app. You can see APK file. So just drag this and paste it here. So you can see down here it's going. So it's uploading, right? So it has uploaded. So alright, this is it here. So you can just go to your Google Drive on your phone, then just download this from your phone. So after downloading, you can just install, and you see that it will work. You just install it just like a normal mobile application on your phone. Then you'll be able to have something like this. Then you can practice and play. So this is how to actually create a mobile app or create an app and send to your phone directly. Do you understand? So another way to send it to your phone is through, you can just right click and send to, maybe through Bluetooth to your phone, or you can use USB, connect your phone using USB to the computer, right? Then transfer it, then just install it like a normal application. I hope this video is useful to you and hope you're able to create your first mobile application. I hope the steps are not too boring. I know the video is long, but I hope it was useful to you. Please, if you find this video useful, educating and interesting, please leave a subscribe, leave a comment, and also share this video to others so that others can also benefit from what you benefited. So before I go, let me just play this game one more time. So new game. So X O X O X O X O X. So it's a draw. Anyway, so if you want to play, if you want to create any type of game, just go to ChatGPT, tell it to give you the type of game you want. Just give it any instruction at all. Okay, so it is what you give to it, that is how it's going to give you a result. So garbage in, garbage out. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.